Welcome to Caribbean Glow. Why do 90% of gardeners love perennial veggies? It's simple. They're the gift that keeps on giving. Plant them just once and enjoy the bounty year after year. It's like magic, but with dirt. Imagine a garden that gives you fresh produce without the yearly hassle. It's like having a personal chef who never takes a day off. That's the magic of perennial vegetables. No wand required. Unlike annuals, these hardy plants return from their roots each year, saving you time and effort. Think asparagus, artichokes, rhubarb, and garlic. It's like the Avengers of the vegetable world. These veggies are not only tasty and nutritious, but also super low maintenance. They're the couch potatoes of the plant kingdom. Their deep roots make them pros at finding nutrients and moisture, so they need less watering and feeding. Talk about self-sufficient. Whether you're a gardening newbie or a seasoned pro, adding perennials is a game changer. It's like upgrading from a tricycle to a sports car. They thrive with minimal intervention, making your garden more resilient and productive. Less work, more veggies, what's not to love? So why not give it a go? Your future self will high-five you. Plant once and enjoy the harvest year after year. It's the ultimate gardening hack. Your future self will thank you. Happy gardening.